Kim, you're going the wrong way. You want to go down this way. Walk, though. You're going to want to walk. Hey, you're going to want to walk, baby. You're not going to want to run down. Good girl.
Does that have sand?
Yes, it does. Good girl. Just for the people who don't think we're that crazy.
Oh my God, it's going over my head.
That's why you need a crooper.
Oh, Jesus.
Kim.
Come on, Candy.
Problem is I'm neck reining and she doesn't know neck rein.